Hello friends, today we are going to make a quick snacks recipe, potato cheese balls. For this recipe we need 2 spoon maida, 5 spoon corn flour, 3 spoon breadcrumbs, 1 bowl grated cheese. In dry masala we need salt to taste, 1 spoon chili flakes, 1 spoon oregano, half spoon black pepper powder, 1 spoon roasted cumin powder and 2 large size boiled potatoes. Let's start making. Transfer all the boiled potatoes into a bowl and mash it with a fork. Now add all the dry masala and salt. Add 2 spoon corn flour, and 2 spoon breadcrumbs. Mix everything well. If required, add more corn flour and breadcrumbs and make a dough-like consistency. Total I am using 3 spoon corn flour and 2½ spoon breadcrumbs. Now keep it aside. Now we are going to make batter. For this take 2 spoon maida in a bowl. To this add 2 spoon corn flour, half spoon black pepper and half spoon salt. Now add water little by little and make a batter. Now we are going to make potato cheese balls. Take some portion from the potato mix dough. Make a hole using your palm and stuff cheese into this. Now close. Now dip it into the butter and coated with breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Like this make all the balls. Now looks, our all balls are ready to fry. Heat oil in a pan. When oil is hot, add potato cheese balls like this. Make sure oil should be medium hot. When one side of the potato ball is fried, flip it over the other side. Fry it till light brown in color. Now looks, both sides of the potato balls turn brown in color. Now transfer it to a plate. Like this, fry all the potato balls and enjoy it with green chutney or tomato sauce. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe.